So good.
Craving something sweet right now, but you still want to stay healthy? This is for you. I'm a Japanese nutritionist, and this is one of my favorite Japanese style snacks. This Miso Tofu energy bowl takes just 5 minutes, no baking, no special equipment. They support gut health, help keep your energy stable, and satisfy sweet cravings without refined sugar. You might be surprised, but simple Japanese ingredients like miso and tofu make this snack both delicious and gut-friendly. Let me show you how to make a snack that actually works with your body. Let's get started. First, let's look at the base ingredients. Any nuts you like, walnuts, cashews, or almond all work well. Nuts provide healthy fat and minerals, which help keep your energy steady and make this snack satisfying. Dates or prunes for natural sweetness. They are rich in dietary fiber, which supports digestion and helps prevent blood sugar spikes. Maple syrup, just a small amount. It's a natural sweetener and easier on your body than refined sugar. Oat milk helps bind the ingredients together and create a smooth, cohesive texture. And cocoa powder for that chocolate flavor. Cocoa is rich in polyphenol, which support gut health and reduce oxidative stress. Now, here is the first Japanese secret ingredient, farm tofu. Tofu is an excellent source of plant-based protein, which helps you feel full and satisfied longer. It also gives energy balls a creamy and soft taste, while staying completely dairy-free. And the second Japanese secret ingredient is miso. Miso is a traditional Japanese fermented food rich in beneficial bacteria that support gut health. It also adds deep, slightly salty flavor that balances sweetness perfectly. That's why these energy balls don't just taste good, they are gentle on your digestion and energy. All you do is put everything into a food processor, blend until everything is well combined, and start to come together into a soft dough. If it feels a little dry, you can add a tiny splash of extra oat milk. And honestly, it's almost done. If you are very hungry, you can eat just like this. I do all the time, like this.
So good.
If you have a bit more time, roll the mixture into small bite-sized balls. You can coat them with cocoa powder or shredded coconuts if you like. That's it!
Very good. Very good. Very good.
Whenever you are craving something sweet, you can make these in minutes and enjoy right away. They are also perfect to pack and take with you. When you know a quick, easy snack like this, you don't have to reach for store-bought sweet and feel guilty afterward. It's not about being perfect. It's about choosing simple snacks that work with your body and fit into real, busy lives. These miso energy balls are easy, comforting, and very Japanese in their balance. I will keep sharing healthy and simple recipes the Japanese way. So don't forget to subscribe. When you are craving something sweet, what do you usually reach for? I'd love to hear in the comment. It really helps me decide which recipes to share next. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.